what is it in the evening that is sucking energy most probably? Well, probably it's not moving, because this is what the body is supposed not to do. So staying still. It's the mind. It's the mind activity very much, which is sucking a lot of energy. Meaning like you go to bed, you wake up in the morning, but still feel like very tired and not recovered. Well, it might be the reason that your brain, your mind is still too active in the evening. And this is again where it comes from, to discover, okay, stop thinking too much of the past, stop dreaming too much about the future, practice yourself, remain in the presence. So, and this also then translates afterwards into your quality of sleep. Because when you sleep, you sleep. When you eat, you eat. When you talk, you talk. When you work, you work. But nowadays, people work and they think about eating. People eat and they think about sleeping. People sleep and they think about working. So there's something not aligned. Mm-hmm. See, so there is no synchronicity. You are here, but actually something else is there. And this is not how it's supposed to be. Being present means you sleep, you sleep. You talk, you talk. You eat, you eat. You walk, you walk. You drive, you drive. You listen, you listen. This is ultimately where all of this journey goes. And then the amount of sleep is not so important, but the recovery rate is very, very different.
How much sleep do you need as hours when you're, as you said, you sleep, when you rest properly?
Well, I'm happy if I have 7 hours. When I have 7 hours, I'm happy. Yeah. 6 hours is quite limit. So then 6 is really limit. I can maintain even 5 or 6 hours, but after like a few days, I feel it's not good to continue like this, because then you're starting to really burn some energy which you cannot recover anymore.